Oh my gosh. Cool. Everything is going great. Hi guys, I'm Matt. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm joined by my roommate, Everett.
Hi everyone.
So tonight I thought it would be fun to take on a little challenge. I am going to try and make my Chipotle order faster than it can be delivered. And my delivery person is none other than my own roommate.
He said free food. I'm here to pick it up.
So, I mean, it's good. Tonight I will be making white rice, black beans, chicken, pico de gallo, and guacamole to make my ideal burrito bowl, because burrito bowls are the best thing at Chipotle.
Will your guac cost extra?
No, my guac is free.
5 stars.
Do you think I can do it? The Chipotle is only 9 minutes from here.
I think it might be a little tougher than the Big Mac challenge.
Yeah.
But you might be able to do it.
I might be in over my head. Either way, there's free Chipotle at the end. Okay. Order. Hold to submit. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Woo! 3, 2, oh, go. Okay, first things first, I need to make my rice, and to expedite that, I'm gonna use a rice cooker because it's a good idea. So I want to add about 2 cups here. Let's say more than that. That looks good to me. And before I even finish this, I'm going to wash my rice. Oh, this is taking up so much time just washing my rice. Cool. I've got my rice here. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a couple bay leaves for some flavoring. Boom, very unceremoniously. Put the top on this. My rice is all set. I'm just gonna let this cook and move on to my beans. Beans. What are the beans? Okay, so for my beans, I just need to prep my onion. I feel like I'm just standing at the edge of an abyss. Okay, so give this just a nice chop. That is my onion. Now to just get through my garlic. All right, just gonna chop all these guys up. All right, time to start making these beans.
Just for the record, I do have to say, if you guys can, find yourself a tasty producer roommate. The amount of times this man has cooked for me, it's incredible.
For my beans, I am going to need oil. Honestly, that feels warm enough, so I'm going to throw my onions. Give that all a stir. I just want these to soften and get a bit translucent. Now it's time to add that much garlic. Let this go for about a minute. Oh my gosh.
I'm headed to Chipotle. My roommate Matt ordered me some. I'm sorry.
I'm happy with this. Now it's time to add the black beans and some water. Perfect. Great, so at this point I just need to move on to my chicken. For this I'm just using chicken thighs. Get them nice and dry. I want to get any excess moisture off of them. I am sweating like nothing else. It's time for a little bit of salt, pepper, get the other side. Perfect. Going to set this aside.
That's his second red light. He's getting awfully lucky. Awfully lucky if you ask me.
To make the marinade for the chicken, I'm keeping it nice and simple. I'm just gonna use canned chipotles and adobo. A nice chop. Perfect, and then I'm just going to transfer all of this to a bowl. I'm actually going to add back my chicken thighs. Boom. And I'm just going to give it all a good little toss. I am just going to set this aside, let it marinate for a few minutes before I cook it. Now I'm going to get started on my pico de gallo really quickly. Just going to chop up these 2 tomatoes. Oh no.
When I say chip, you say ole. Chip. I don't hear you. I am pulling up to the Chipotle as we speak. We are almost there.
Perfect. Tomatoes go into my bowl, cut you in half. Love a red onion. Woo, in you go. And finally, 1 jalapeno. Slice that guy in half. That's a big jalapeno. Do that. And finally, I'm just gonna go with all of this cilantro.
Smells delightful. Oh my God, I love Chipotle. Okay, let's give Matt a call.
Hello?
Hey, bud.
Oh no, why are you calling?
I'm on my way back right now.
Oh my God, okay.
Consider yourself lucky because the chicken was not ready. They had to make new chicken.
Oh no, okay. Well, I'll see you soon. I'm doing great, I'm way ahead of you.
I'll drive really, really slow.
Thank you.
Just kidding.
Okay, I am running out of time. That is all of my cilantro. Wow, everything is getting very messy and very chaotic really quick. Okay, lime cut in half. Gonna add a little bit of salt, a lot of bit of lime. Give this all a good stir. Pico de gallo is done. Oh, I'm gonna go with a bowl that's way too big for my guac. I have my avocado, I have my onion, I have my jalapeno. I'm going to add approximately that cilantro. Let's get a lime in there. Come on. Oh, I can't squeeze my lime. I feel like I sound like a Rick and Morty character. Have I been using this voice the whole time?
Red light, green light.
Oh, different headlights, different headlights. Okay, salt, pepper, just because. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh no. Come on, come on.
Hey, how's it going? Chipotle, chicken bowl, cilantro rice. It's pretty good.
Okay, as far as guacamole, I'm happy with that. Okay, everything is almost done. I am so freaking close. Let's cook up this chicken. Everett is still not back, so I think I'm still in this. My pan is heating over medium-high heat. Just going to grease this nicely. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Still no one back yet.
Oh, I'm right down the street. I don't think he's gonna make it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. My chicken is in the pan. I'm so close. I just need to finish this. I need to do some final touches on my rice when it's done. Beans are looking good. Oh no. Oh no, is that a door? No! I'm so close!
Sorry.
Ah!
I got the Chipotle.
All right. Okay, so I've already lost, but I still have time to finish this really quickly, so let's see how much slower I am than Chipotle. Rice is done. I'm gonna get to you in a minute. I should have started this before I started the guac and the pico. That's fine. We all live and make mistakes. That looks good. Just give that a flip. Flip. These look great. I'm gonna let them go for a few more minutes on the burner behind me and wrap up my rice. Just gonna fluff all of my rice up, some lime juice, a little bit of cilantro, toss all of this, and voila, there is my cilantro lime rice. Pop the lid on this, set it aside. My beans are looking good. I'm just gonna pull out that little bay leaf there. I have a little bit of chipotle chili pepper, some cumin, a little bit of pepper, some salt, finally, a little bit of oregano. Give that all a nice stir. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, beans are done. Here we are after an endless slog. Everything has been made. Let's bring it all together. I'm gonna start with my rice. It smells the part. And then I'm going to add my beans. Oh yeah. And then of course, my chicken. Probably should have chopped up smaller, but you know what? It's gourmet. A little bit of our chunky pico. I'm just gonna add that off to the side here. No extra cost for guac, so I'm just gonna put a big old dollop of you on top. Look at that. And finally, just for some creaminess, not as creamy as I thought. And there we have it. That is my homemade Chipotle burrito bowl.
Here it is.
Oh,
nice
man.
and lukewarm, ready to go.
How much longer did I take?
22 minutes and 56 seconds longer.
So you can't make Chipotle in the amount of time it takes to have it delivered. At least I can't.
But you know what? This was made with love. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters.
All right, Everett, how's it look?
This honestly looks incredible. Firstly, Chipotle and you really hooked it up with a guac. And I'm loving how much crema you put on there. It looks amazing. And I really just want to eat it.
You know, it may have taken me 20 minutes longer, but guess what? It's now finally time to eat.
Let's do it. Listen, that's the thing about Chipotle, you can always count on it.
Yeah.
It's always gonna be great, it's always gonna be delicious. And they really hooked this bowl up.
That's good. I love Chipotle. I'm a sucker for Chipotle. You wanna try this one?
Let's do it.
Oh God.
Matt,
Honestly, not bad.
that's delicious. That guac is amazing.
Thank you.
The jalapenos are like big enough, so you really get that bite every single time. And this crema is so good. That's a pro tip, you guys. You gotta do it with the crema, it's amazing.
Crema makes it.
delicious.
I get that it took me 20 minutes longer to make it, but this is a pretty good knockoff, you know, for a homemade one.
I think it's completely worth it.
I may have lost, I may have been really slow, 20 minutes slower, but I am happy.
2 minutes and 56 seconds.
She came with the receipts.
Okay, since I was 22 minutes,
And 56 seconds.
Thank you.
and there you have it. I tried to race my Chipotle order. Didn't make it, but still good in the end. Everett, thank you so much for being my delivery driver.
You're so welcome. Anytime, Matt.
If you have any suggestions for fast food, takeout, delivery meals you want us to try, let us know in the comments below, or you can message me on Instagram. And until next time, take care, guys.
Bye.
Oh, yes.